Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have an install for you guys. So as you can tell by the title, you know what's gonna happen. So yeah, let me show you guys what just came in. Yeah, so I got some side skirts and a front lip. So I'll let you guys see when I'm assembling them. Yeah guys, so right now I'm gonna just show you when I'm unboxing them. So here's the front piece. So here's the next side. And here's the middle piece. So here it is. Maybe gonna sit like something like this. Something like this. Yeah. So when I'm putting them together, I'll just show you guys. I just finished assembling them. So that's how they're looking. I got the front lip in the car. So here it is. So here's the front splitter. I'll let you guys see it real quick. So that's the front splitter right there. And here's the side skirt. So I'm gonna let you guys see when I'm putting them on. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so right now I only have like one side tacked like that. So I'm gonna just put this can spray under right here so you could like hold it up and let you guys see what I'm trying to do. I just put a little screw right here to like catch it to see how it's gonna look, and damn, it's not that bad. So I still have like right there to screw up all of these parts. It's coming along well. So I'll let you guys see when I'm finished with the front splitter. So right now I don't have a screw gun right now, so I'm using a screwdriver. So I'm just using the screwdriver to put it up. So guys, that's how she's looking right now. So it's finished. So I got the side skirts. The other one is around here. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think. She's coming along well. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more. And follow the bell. So guys, we only got the front splitter finished tonight because it's dark. So this video is gonna be like a two-part video. So tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys how to install side splitters on the G. So that's how the G is looking right now. She's kind of dirty, but sheesh, she's looking mean. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see. And peace out.